Hi guys, my name is Saba and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how I prep my skin before makeup step by step. I do a lot of shootings and most of the times I prep my skin myself, and I think this is the best way to protect my skin and have a good skincare routine before my makeup to prevent getting acne and causing redness and all this kind of things. Also do most of the steps before my everyday makeup as well. So watch this video till the end and tell me your opinion in the comments. And this is it. Let's just quickly start the video. So we're gonna start by using this face spray by Clinique. It's a moisture surge face spray. Is it? And I love the feeling after I've applied face sprays. Then I use this Origins brightening eye cream. And then step 3. Next, for moisturizer, I use this Clinique Moisture Surge 100-hour moisturizer. And my dog is sleeping over there, and he's the cutest little baby. Then next part is this Nars skin face lotion. I love it. I actually bought it so randomly. I went to Nars and I was looking to buy I think a concealer, and then the lady that worked there told me that they just got this, and since that I love it. Just make sure not to apply it directly on your face. Put it on your hands and then apply it to your face. And last but not least is primer. If I'm doing my daily makeup, I use this Embryolisse primer. But if I want to go extra, I use this Nars primer. Today I'm going to use the Embryolisse one. And this is it. And the next part, if I want to do my daily makeup, on daily makeup I don't use foundation. I only use this CC cream by Chanel. It's in number 20 beige. I love it. It has SPF in it and it's good for daily use. It has a little cover and it has SPF 50 in it, and it's perfect to use it daily because using foundations, no matter if they are full coverage, medium, will ruin your skin if you use them every day. So definitely never use foundations on daily basis and use CC cream, SPF or something like that. And for my body, I use aloe vera gel every night before I go to bed. And if I want to go extra, I use this Nuxe body oil that is a shimmery body oil, and I love it. I love the smell, I love the finish touch and everything about it. But it is more for parties and, you know, whenever I want to do something extra. And this is it. After that, you can do the rest of your makeup in whatever way you want. The skin is ready. If I want to go on daily basis, I only use this and some concealer and a little bit of tint on my lips, and that's it. But if I'm doing something extra, or if I want to go on sets and I'm doing shootings that I have to do my own makeup, then definitely I'm doing a lot of work after this. But yeah, this is it. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you. Let me know in the comments what you think about this video and what kind of other videos you like to see. And if you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.